Right, we're now in Oakley Drive. We're just going to go through the path for the last time. There's our flats over the back there. You can't really see them through the trees. Some big houses here.
Oh, thank you.
And this path is going to be closed down tomorrow for resurfacing, which is obviously why they've cleaned the sides of it. Because this is the best it's looked in ages. But they're supposed to be digging it all up and laying a new surface down. That's the back of Solihull Tennis Club. See the back entrance into the courts. Don't think there'll be anybody playing today though. Usually this is covered in bluebells and daffodils. There's the tennis courts. There's Joseph walking up the path. Lots of stray daffodils around. You see the bluebells starting to grow. More bluebells there, more daffodils. Substation with the wires. Linden Place up there, just been built. Albany Court over there. The original to that building, Linden Court, was the first multi-storey building in Solihull apparently, built in the 1950s. Only had 9 flats, 3 either side, in a triangular shape. Obviously got too expensive, but they took a better offer, all moved out, and then these nasty retirement people built this great big place here. Right, a few months ago, one of the trees fell down. There it is, across the path. Stormmerlin, I think. Was it? There it is, there's the base of the tree. Fell down there, straight across the path, and took out all this fence here. And you just left all the junk there. There's a sign saying the path's going to close. And hopefully next week we'll do one and it looks better. That's the end.